Amen. Todd with Empowered Men Coaching. Happy to be with you here today. Have a little conversation about how do you figure out what's important to do every day. And I had a conversation with a client, and the client said, hey, I'm really good about setting up 3 things to do, trying to make sure they get done. He goes, but that really feels more task oriented. And he says, I feel like I'm missing maybe the bigger picture or more theme type things. And so we had a conversation around it. And I think there's an important point to be made about how to move your life along and to make sure you are addressing the things that are really important. So making a list, having tasks, the to-do items, the things, the actions, that move you towards your goals, that's important. I think what's also important is to create a space of time, a regular, consistent space of time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, usually in the morning, for you to just reflect on what you're going to be doing today. What you're going to be doing at the beginning of the day, where you're going to be, who you're going to be talking with, what's going to be required of you, and just get a feel and a sense for how you are going to flow through your own life. And that will bring awareness and attention to what conversations do I need to be having? What is it that I need to say? What kind of boundaries will be important for me to have today, and with whom? Right? So it goes beyond just the actual steps and actions to move a particular goal around. It really becomes how you encompass your presence and your being and how you're showing up. And behind all of that, if you've been working on your purpose, you can also be thinking, being intentional, how will I show up in purpose, in my purpose, in these particular situations today, and in the conversations I'm having with these particular people? Food for thought. I think it will just allow you and I, when we do that, just to take it to one level higher in our awareness and intention of how we do things and how we move through the world. All right, another beautiful day here in southern Utah. Happy to have a few moments to talk to you men, and hope your day's going great. Ciao.